Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one video that you want to edit. To add the music, here you can find the option of audio. Now tap on it. Then again tap onto the music button. Now here you can find a lot of music available to add to your videos. Now choose one music and tap onto the plus sign button right here. Now the music will be added to your video in few seconds, like this. Now you can see the music has been added to your video. And that's it. This is how you can add music to your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.